Hi, this is Sherry Veronica, and I have Patricia Benedict on the line with me, and she is supposed to be appearing before Ian Weeks on the 30th. This Friday, the 30th of June, 2023, and she is a little bit apprehensive, a little bit of trepidation because she is saying that there was an incident in the past where Ian Weeks signed a document for her to appear on under Wanda Blair's jurisdiction. Jur- Wanda Blair was handling, she was before Wanda Blair for a matter, but yet she says in December of 2018, Ian Weeks signed a document for her to appear in one matter, and Wanda Blair signed the summons for her to appear in the same matter, and she wonders she's just confused. So I'm going to let her speak and clear the air. Patricia?
Hi. Yes, thank you for having me. It will just be brief.
Okay.
So I'm looking at this document there. It was drawn and prepared by an attorney called Romel DJ Marshall on behalf of Amanda Peggy Smith. So he prepared it, and it was filed on the 27th of December 2008 in this
2018. You say 2008.
Sorry, 2018. My apologies. 2018 of the Magistrate Court District E, Whole Town. And it was signed by Mr. Ian Weeks. But, then it stapled on it was the summons.
The summons.
Dated the summons dated the 27th of December 2018, the same day, to appear before magistrate at that time, Wanda Blair, on the 20th of February 2019 to hear the matter.
So because because he signed that particular document several years ago, he may not even remember you. He may not even remember that he signed that document. What is your trepidation to being before him on Friday?
But I am worried. And then remember when he said to me, I told you what he said to me. Don't in a matter. Don't think because your matter is sent down there you'll get special treatment. But I don't want any special treatment for nobody. I just want justice. And I want a fair trial in all my matters. I have several on the 30 on Friday. Tina Pabasino supposed to appear in court. Court Marshal Small supposed to appear in court. Deporting U.S. Citizen Michael O'Mario Reed supposed to appear in court. Winston Drayton supposed to appear in court. So I don't want no special treatment. I just want fair justice.
Okay.
And this document had me so confused, and I kept on I've been watching it for a while because I don't understand if Magistrate Wanda Blair, at that time she was magistrate, she's a judge now, was the magistrate for that court. Why two different? Why somebody would file? Why it was prepared by Romel DJ Marshall and filed and signed by Mr. Ian Weeks?
Yeah, but you don't know the workings of the court. You do not know the workings of the court. Let's say that she had a heavy schedule and she could have said, hey, I'm going to send some of my cases over to you just to sign, nothing heavy.
It's the same matter. No, I beg to differ. It's the same matter.
Okay.
It is the same matter. It is the same matter.
But you don't think
the filing of the documents is about 3 or 4 pages.
So all
that she did was to sign her name on a piece of paper, the summons.
So the document to appear and the summons, and you went before her in February 2019. Did something
20th of February.
Yes, did something bad happen to you because it was signed by 2 different people? What happened? Was there a bad resolution because 2 people signed on?
Yes. And well, I never had a chance. I never had a chance because it was wrongfully in a condo that had
you just blacked out. You just blacked out. You just blacked out. I don't know where your mouth went, but you were saying okay.
Yes, it was I had a lease for that condo, registered at the registry, and they should have never have evicted me in the first place.
So you're saying that this whole matter with Ian Weeks and Wanda Blair and Amanda Peggy Smith and your eviction from condo number 13 should never have happened because what you were you up to date with your rent?
Well, no, because Mr. Joseph Jordan owned the condo. That's a long story. It's a long story. So I have in front of me a lease registered at the land registry on the 4th of February 2019.
So someone took you to court on this matter for eviction. The question is, were you up to date on your rent?
Because
the answer is just yes or no.
I was until British national Amanda Peggy Smith, caretaker Audrey Howard, told me that Amanda Peggy Smith does not own the condo. It belongs to Joseph Jordan.
But Joseph Jordan lives right there, and he should know who was in condo number 13. Why did you not continue with that particular lease or speak to Amanda Peggy Smith and ask her, if you're doing the right thing? So when she took you to court, it's obvious that she thought that she had a reason to take you to court. Obviously.
When her caretaker, who takes care of her condos for her and who she is known for many years, told me that I am someone who's not to turn back. If you tell me something and you cannot change your mind and tell me, well, this and that. You told me that it didn't belong to you.
Wait. Amanda Peggy Smith told you it didn't belong to her?
No, the caretaker.
But we're not talking about the caretaker. You talk about going back. You can't go. You can't look at somebody that's coming clean the house, a housekeeper or whoever it is.
No. She's not just, when I mean caretaker, she's not that kind of person. She's responsible for taking the rent. I don't know what the name you call it.
So why would she throw her employer under the bus? Why would she throw her employer under the bus like that?
Because when she came to fix the pipe, I heard she say, Jordan, I did my research. And she went straight to Jordan. And then I was in town. And she said to me, Patricia, Jordan could lock you out because he owns the condo. So I was confused. I went to speak to Jordan. He showed me documents. I didn't take it from there. I went to land registry and did my research. And he did own it.
Okay.
But it's a lot of money laundering. I shouldn't say that, but it's a lot of illegal stuff going on in Sunset Crest.
Mm-hmm. Okay. But
the mastermind is Tina Pavasino.
Yeah, but you're concerned going before Ian Weeks.
Yes.
Because what you think he remembers a document from 2018?
He may not, but I do.
Okay.
I have never forgotten about it. And not only that, too, when I have a trial matter coming up, and before that, the police officer did not appear, and that time he should have issued a bench warrant for his arrest.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm just worried about that. It's just that why, and I hope we have a conversation about that. Why would two magistrates signed one filed, drawn and prepared by Romero DJ Marshall, a lawyer, and filed and signed by Mr. Ian Weeks. It says magistrate for District E. When Wanda Blair is saying that she's the magistrate for District E too.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So that's my concerns.
Yeah, okay. Well, maybe when you speak to him, I don't know if you'll get to speak to him on Friday, but maybe that could be cleared up. But then again, that's water under the bridge. Won't you consider that water?
I would give him a copy.
But wouldn't you consider that water under the bridge?
You mean no? Because it's just what he said to me. and then not serving a bench warrant for Leacock's arrest for not appearing in court. It's just like Magistrate Wayne Clark's court. If I didn't appear in court,
so there are a lot
issue
of
a
things.
bench warrant for my arrest.
So there are a lot of things
So
that
why should people get special treatment?
Yeah, so there are a lot of things that you're concerned about regarding
Yes.
Ian Weeks. And then, but you had the same concern for Wayne Clark too. So where can you go to get justice in Barbados? Where?
But I would like the officials to monitor the cases, and I hope all the names I mentioned, I hope the clerks did the right thing and told them that they have to appear in court. Because I hope I am not the only one appearing before Mr. Ian Weeks again.
Okay.
And that's the lawlessness that happens in the clerks, the whole town clerks.
Okay.
And you mean I'm going to go for the on Friday to court and nobody's appearing? That should not be happening.
Right. Your time is important too. I understand that.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Well, I think we got it. I think we got why you are kind of nervous going before Ian Weeks on Friday. But
thank you so much for your time, though. I really appreciate it. That was a really. It may not be nothing to anybody, but it's a big concern to me to see the two persons magistrates on the same matter.
On the same matter, the same day.
Is District E, and why is two people have District E?
Right.
Why two judge magistrates have the same?
Right.
On the same day.
Okay. All right.
I will share the document with the public. I have taken a picture of the sermons and the front page of where Mr. Ian Weeks sign his name, and I will send it to the public.
Okay, you can also send it to me, so I can put it up with
I will send it to you. I will send you the full thing, but I will just send those two documents to the public.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Patricia.
Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it every time.
You're welcome. This is Sherry Veronica, Naked Departure Radio.